Still can't figure out this camera. Hello. It is like 5:20 in the morning. I'm heading off to Oxford University today. We're just gonna kind of look around. We're gonna be there for 12 hours, which is really rough. People who bought the tickets for me said I was the cheapest option, so I guess that's what we're gonna do. So I'm about to get some breakfast because my stomach is eating itself. And then I am going to walk to the train station to get to another train station, to meet them, to get on another train. So I have like 2 hours traveling, like 3 hours to get to Oxford traveling, 3 hours back. I'm not going to be home until like midnight tonight. And like I said, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. So it's gonna be a long day, but I'm excited. So I do not do mornings, and I only got like 3 hours of sleep last night, but it's gonna be fine. Okay, so I'm almost to the train station. As you can see, it's like really dark outside. I feel like I have an underlying fear of the dark. It's like I'm kind of tripping out right now, especially because I'm by myself, but it's fine. And also, there are foxes everywhere here. I'm not even kidding. I have seen more wild foxes than I have seen cats. And I don't think they'll hurt me, but still, just seeing like a wild animal like that scares the crap out of me. Oh, there's one over there. I don't know if I can get it. Where'd it go? I literally have no idea where it went. Probably too dark to catch it on camera anyway. Yeah, it's too dark to catch him. I tried to, but I'm sure there'll be another opportunity to do so. So I'm here for 4 more months. So I'm currently at Paddington Station in London waiting for my friends to go to Oxford. Got some Starbucks. My breakfast this morning was disgusting, so I threw it away. So my stomach is literally eating itself. It's like 7:10 right now, and our train leaves at 7:52. And it's gonna be like an hour ride. I'm gonna sit here and read my book because I have to read a whole book basically in 4 days for my class. So yeah, see you soon. It's been a hectic morning, but we're finally on the train and ready to go. So we just got off the train and it's freaking freezing and it's starting to rain.
Hell no.
Yeah.
One day I didn't bring my umbrella.
You know what's funny is I was coming over last night and I literally touched my umbrella like I knew it was supposed to rain today and I didn't even bring it. Like I'm just that big of an idiot.
Yeah.
We're about to get a taxi. Look how cute those taxis are. Like they're literally like old-time taxis. So they have them everywhere here. Like I feel like they really keep their culture going here. Like America's constantly changing, but here they keep it the same. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, there's people around here. Okay, I'm getting self-conscious. Okay, so we're officially in Oxford. We're about to go to that shop over there, but look at the view. Look how pretty. So yeah, we're gonna go do some shopping and exploring. So they basically have everything here.
40-pound umbrella.
A 30-pound? 40. Oh yeah, that's expensive. I knew it was gonna be expensive in here, cause like literally everything's so nice.
Do they have the umbrellas too?
Yeah, but it's expensive. All right, let's see what's down here.
Let's go down.
Y'all got a clearance section. Ooh, sale. They have hats and scarves too. Oh my gosh, I love these hats. When Brit boys wear these, it's literally my favorite thing ever. Love that. Okay, so we came to a different shop. Go ahead. Because the other one was really expensive, and this one's a lot cheaper, and we're on a budget, honey. So I think I'm gonna get a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, and a keychain, because y'all know I collect keychains. So these t-shirts are here for $9.99. I'm broke. Help me. Look at we look like total tourists. Love that. Okay, so I got this t-shirt, this like crew neck. I also got a Humpty Dumpty book here because like my dad, brother, and I have a joke about Humpty Dumpty. I know it's weird, but and then I also got a keychain. But they're looking at me, so I'm gonna go. This has me shook. That is so creepy. It's starting to rain really hard, but it's okay. We're doing some exploradoring. I'm starting to feel good again. Like I was good for like 2-3 weeks, but I think I'm having another flare up, but I'll push through. Right now we're at the Oxford Castle and Prison. It's starting to rain, so I'm getting raindrops everywhere. Sorry. But there is the castle and prison. I think what I love most about traveling to like countries like this is how old everything is, because like in America you think about like we're a baby country, we've only been around for a couple hundred years, while these countries have been around for thousands and thousands of years. So this building here is honestly probably older than America itself, and it's raining and I'm really sorry. So I really just appreciate how, like, I don't want to say, well, it is old, but just the history behind it. I think it's really cool. Don't come for me like that. I'm getting enough looks from the locals.
I'm proud.
I know, it's taking a lot of courage, but I think you guys as a security blanket is like helping me like sum up on myself. I'm getting raindrops on my lens, but it's fine. Love this for me. This is where I truly belong in life. I'm like choking.
can't get your head out.
So right now we're at Christ Church, and I believe it's where Harry Potter was filmed. And we already had lunch. We went to Pizza Hut. Yeah, Pizza Hut. And now we're gonna try and get inside and see what's up. It's gorgeous. Like, look at this. Like, look how pretty. Look how absolutely stunning. But look how green that grass is. It's raining really hard right now. Well, it's starting to sprinkle, but it was raining really hard. But still, I'm damp. Ooh. Ah. Honestly, I'm a typical tourist and everyone hates me because of it, but I'm living it up. Like, this place is huge. I didn't realize how big it was gonna be.
I know, me either.
Like, we've been walking for like a good, like, what, 5 minutes around it? Okay, ooh. She really fuzzy. Okay, so the halls where it was filmed don't open up until 2:15. It's currently noon. So we're gonna go exploring. We're gonna come back later. My shoes are soggy now, my socks. Because I stepped in a puddle by accident. Look at this nice rock. Probably shouldn't touch it with my white gloves. It's actually a wall. You can tell I got like 2 hours of sleep last night. That's like a little dome building. Isn't it an observatory? What is it?
Looks like an observatory, yeah.
I ate too much pizza and I'm really freaking full. So I guess this is an actual library right now, and they're asking us to be quiet. But it's very pretty. Alright, so now we're in the History Museum. Look at this dinosaur. Look at that chicken. Just look at it. Would you look at it? Whoa, look at him. I accidentally rubbed off my eyeliner because I forgot I had makeup on. Let me look at the whales that are up here. That's a beluga whale. That's a killer whale, or an orca. What is that one? A minke whale. Ooh, that bus loud. Okay, so we're back at the church where Harry Potter was filmed. Our train technically isn't until 8:30 at night, but we ended up buying bus tickets for like 5 o'clock because we were just sitting in McDonald's. Sorry, that's okay. And I was literally falling asleep. All right, we're finally in. It says quiet, so I'm gonna try and keep it down, but we all know how much of a loudmouth I am. I definitely feel like I'm in a dungeon right now. Chamber of Secrets. Rip. Alright, since the hall is up there. I feel like it's a lot smaller than it is. Oh yeah, definitely. But it's still really cool. Look at this lighting. But very cool, very fun. It's still really pretty though. Like, look at that ceiling. Alright, so we left the hall and now we're in the courtyard. And this is what it looks like. So we're in another courtyard. I love how, like, I don't know, castles amaze me, and the fact that, like, this is, like, so old and they were able to build it without modern technology is just
like,
stunning.
So much detail, too.
Yeah. Like, we can't even, like, nothing's made like this anymore.
Yeah.
Just stunning. Absolutely stunning. How touristy do we sound? Super touristy. Hashtag tourists. Alright, the lighting is atrocious in here, but we are on our bus and we are going back home. We are so tired. And I don't feel good. But we got the front row of the double-decker bus, so makes for good seating and good views. I'm probably gonna fall asleep as soon as the bus takes off though. I'm gonna try and read a little bit because I have to read like 300 pages by Thursday. So if I can get like even 10 pages in. Thanks for tuning in to another probably very boring vlog, but I will catch you in the next one.